Standard 10th Subject Maths 1 Unit Linear Equations in Two Variable. Hello students, in previous video we solved practice set 1.1. Now today we are going to draw a graph of linear equation in two variable. So in 9th standard we learned that the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line. तर आपण मागील वर्षी म्हणजे 9वीत असताना हे शिकलोय की लिनियर इक्वेशन जे असतात in two variables they have a straight line. Graph of that is a straight line. Now the ordered pair which satisfy the equation is the solution of that graph. आणि अशी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर जी काय करते त्या इक्वेशनला सॅटिस्फाय करते, that is the solution of that equation. Now the ordered pair that represents a point on that line. आणि असे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर जे आहेत तर ते काय होतात त्या लाईनवरचे काय असतात पॉईंट्स असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जेव्हा हा काही ग्राफ हा स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये याच्यावरचे जे पॉईंट्स आहेत सो दे आर द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स ऑफ दॅट solution. These pairs are satisfies that equation in two variable. Now let us draw the graph for one equation. Now let us start from one example. So see here, example is to draw graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now what is the solution for this? See, to draw a graph of the equation, let us write 4 ordered pairs. So we have to write the ordered pair here for this equation. Okay, so to obtain ordered pair by simple way, so let's take first x is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0, and to draw graph with the help of 4 different ordered pair. Okay, so to first here see here these are the pairs or solution for x and for y here. First we have to take x is equal to 0 here and then y is equal to 0 here, and put these values in this equation and then draw obtain the values for x and y here. Now put the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation. We have here this equation. Okay, so put the value of x as 0. So here 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 4. So 0 minus y is equal to 4, and therefore y is equal to minus 4 here. So we have here solution for y, that is a minus 4. So let us write this value of y here. Now next one, see here, next one is y is equal to 0. Put this value in this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to now y is equal to now 0 equal to 4. Then 2x that equals to 4, and therefore x is equal to 4 upon 2, and 2 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. Okay, so here, so x is equal to 2 here. So we get the value of x that equals to 2. So we write this value in this box. Okay, now take solution for x that is the 3, and then we have to calculate the value for y with the help of this equation. So we have to write the equation here. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now put the value of x as a 3 in this equation. So here 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 4. So here 6 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to, so when 6 comes here at the right hand side, so that sign get changed and it becomes minus 6 minus y is equal to 4 minus 6. So here bigger number have minus sign, so write that, then 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So here minus minus get cancelled and y is equal to 2. We get the value for y here. So write this value in this box. Okay, now take the value for x as a minus 2. Now draw or calculate this value of y. Okay, so put the value of x in this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4. So we have to take the value of x as a minus 2. So put this value in this. 2 into minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so 2 into minus 1 is, that is minus 2 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to, so this comes here and the sign get changed, that is plus 2 minus y is equal to, here addition of both these numbers 4 and 2, that 6. Okay, so here then y becomes a minus 6. Okay, so write this value of y here in this box. Now here we get the ordered pairs of x and y, that are 0 minus 4 here, in this second 2 0, here 3 2, and here minus 1 and minus 6. So here see, there are some steps to follow for the drawing a graph of linear equation in two variables. So what are that steps? Find at least 4 ordered pairs for given equation. Then draw x axis, y axis on graph paper and plot the points. Then see that all 4 points lie on one line. Okay, so all these are some steps which are follows for drawing a graph of linear equation in two variable. आता इथं काय, हा कसला ग्राफ आहे बघा, लिनियर इक्वेशन, टू व्हेरिएबलचं लिनियर इक्वेशन ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी, त्याचा ग्राफ ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी जे काही काही इथं स्टेप्स दिलेले आहेत. पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला ॲटलिस्ट 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेअर्स ज्या आपल्याला ते इक्वेशन दिलेलं आहे तर त्याचे घ्यायला हवेत. त्याच्यानंतर एक्स आणि वाय ॲक्सिस आपण ड्रॉ करतो ग्राफ पेपरवर, आणि त्याच्यानंतर जे ऑर्डर पेअर्स आपल्याला मिळाले तर त्याचे पॉईंट्स काय करायचे आहेत, आपल्याला त्याच्यावर प्लॉट आउट करायचे आहेत. नाव सी दॅट ऑल 4 पॉईंट्स लाय ऑन वन लाईन, आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला ते सगळे पॉईंट्स एकाच लाईनमध्ये आहेत का नाही, प्लॉट झालेत की नाहीत, हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, बघायचं आहे. आता आपण जेव्हा हे ऑर्डर पेअर घेतो तर तेव्हा तिथं काय काय दिलं आहे बघा, इथं इन्फॉर्मेशन 2 points are sufficient to represent a line, but if coordinates of one of the 2 points are wrong, then you will not get a correct line. आपल्याला कुठलीही एखादी लाईन जी आहे तर ती लाईन ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी 2 पॉईंट जे आहेत तर ते सफिशियंट आहेत, पुरेसे आहेत. पण समजा त्याच्यामधल्या कुठल्याही 2 पॉईंटचे जर कोऑर्डिनेट जे आहेत तर ते चुकले तर तिथं आपली ती लाईन जी आहे तर ती रॉंग होण्याची शक्यता असते. सो वी विल नॉट गेट अ करेक्ट लाईन हियर. अँड इफ यू प्लॉट 3 पॉईंट्स, आता समजा जर आपण काय केले 3 पॉईंट्स घेतले म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेट जे आहेत एक्स आणि वायचे काय केले हे 3च घेतले, पेअर्ड ऑर्डर घेतले आपण, ऑर्डर्ड पेअर. सो इफ दे आर नॉन collinear, then it is understood that one of the point is wrongly plotted. But it is not easy to identify the incorrect point. समजा जर आपण काय केले 3 जर आपण काय केले पॉईंट्स घेतले, कोऑर्डिनेट जे आहेत एक्स आणि वायचे किती घेतले 3 पेअर्समध्ये समजा घेतले आणि त्याच्यामधला समजा काय असेल तर ते नॉन कोलिनियर असेल म्हणजे हे एकाच लाईनमध्ये एकाच स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये नसतील तर आपल्याला त्याच्यातला एक जो पॉईंट आहे तर तो कुठला तरी रॉंगली आपण प्लॉट केलेला आहे आपल्या लक्षात येतं. पण त्यातला 3 मधला नेमकं कुठला आपण रॉंग घेतलेला आहे तर हे आपण इझिली आयडेंटिफाय करू शकत नाही. देअरफॉर इफ वी प्लॉट 4 पॉईंट्स, समजा आपण काय केले 4 पेअर्स घेतले, ऑर्डर्ड पेअर्स घेतले म्हणजेच एक्स आणि वायचे कोऑर्डिनेट जे आहेत तर ते किती पेअरमध्ये घेतले 4 पेअरमध्ये. सो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सर्टन दॅट 3 ऑफ देम विल बी कोलिनियर. आणि याच्यामधले निदान एखादा जरी चुकला तरी त्यातले 3 जे आहेत तर ते काय असतात कोलिनियर असतातच म्हणजे एका स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये ते येतातच. अँड देअरफॉर इट इज नेसेसरी टू टेक 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेअर्स. ओके, सो it is necessary to take 4 ordered pairs of any type of drawing the graph, and therefore here we took these 4 ordered pairs of x and y. So here coordinates of x and y here written here. Now we have to draw a graph. So take a graph paper first, then what are the steps for drawing graph? First take graph paper, then draw here x and y axis. Here see okay, x and this one is y axis. Now write the numbers in this number line. 1 here, 2 3 4 5 here, 6 okay, 7 etc. And here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 etc. Here x dash, here y, and this one is y dash. Okay, now write the scale here. Scale on both axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This one is a scale. Now plot different paired ordered pairs of x and y coordinates. Plot here. We have here, see, these are the different coordinates of x and y. Now here first one, see, 0 and -4. So on x-axis here 0 and y-axis have -4. Okay, here we have to write the numbers here also. Here 1 2 3 4. Here forgot to write the numbers. 2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7, etc. Okay. Now, so first ordered pair is 0 and -4. So 0 on the x-axis and -4 on y-axis. So here we have point here. This one is first pair. Now second is 2 0. So x-axis having 2 and y having 0. Okay. So where is 2 on x? Here 1, and 0 on the y is here 1. So here this one is the point. Here 0 on y-axis and 2 on x-axis. Okay. So here one is second point. Now which one is third point? 3 2. On x-axis this one is 3, and on y here x-axis having 3, here 3, and y having 2. So therefore here 1 is the 2 and here 3. So here the perpendicular drawn from x and y. So here point, we have point here. Okay. So this one is the third point. So here one another thing is here. So we have to write the coordinates of each point. Here -4, 0 and -4. This one is 2 0. Here 2 0. This one is 3 2. Coordinates of x is 3 and here 2. Now fourth one is -1 -6. Now here see, where is -1? Here on x-axis, and -6, that is here. So we have to take the perpendicular from -1 and here -6 here. So this point here comes here. Okay. So this one is the 4 ordered pair. Okay. So we have to write the coordinates of x and y, that are -1 -6. Now see, these all points are, we have to, it is important that that all 4 points lies on a straight line. We ensure that all 4 points are in a straight line. Now draw a line intersecting all these points. Okay, so this is the graph for this equation. Graph of linear equation in two variables. This one is the graph for that. Okay. All of you must to draw this graph on graph paper. Okay.